In this video, I'll show you how to change your profile photo on the Instagram app. The reason why we're doing this is because we did go through and choose a profile photo when we first created this tester account, but if you wanted to change it later, this is how you would do it. Click on Edit Profile, then Change Profile Photo. From here, you can choose a different photo from Facebook, Twitter. You can remove the photo, so if you just wanted to go ahead and remove it, and edit profile, change profile, and add new photo. We can do that as well. We'll go ahead and put the one we had there back. You can change it. You can make it bigger, smaller. We don't want that big on my nose, so we're gonna put it back to where it was normally. Click next, and you can edit it here. So if I wanted more of a black and white look, different filters here, you can just play around. There's a lot to do for filters. I usually stick to normal, then click edit. From here, you can change the brightness, the contrast. You can make it more warm or cooler, depending on what you want. Add more color to the photo. So just definitely play around here and figure out what looks best for you. If you wanted to pinch to zoom, kind of like how we did earlier, you can do that here as well. You can rotate it a bit if you needed to, if it wasn't quite where you wanted it. If you click up here on the top right, it'll rotate it by 90 degrees. I'm going to click cancel because it was good for me how it was. Click next. Click this check. Oh, let it load. Click the check mark, and there we go. Our profile photo has been changed. So that's how you edit your profile photo on Instagram.